My name is Dr. Graeme Taylor. I'm from the University of Western Ontario. I actually started this program in 2010. I scouted around for a marine station in which I could run a program with 12 to 20 students. Ultimately, what I want the students to take away is that they love this environment and they want to care for this environment.
So I'm Carly Muir. I'm a grad student at Western and I'm here TAing the Tropical Marine Environments field course. I love this place, I love Belize, I love Lighthouse Reef, and so I was really happy to come back, and it's really nice coming in a TA capacity and seeing sort of the eye-opening experiences that everyone else is having. It's awesome.
I think one of my favorite things is the no phone, no internet. Yeah. It's nice because everyone really gets to connect. You know?
We are far off at sea. We are isolated. The island is quite small, and with a small island, within minutes we can access a wide range of habitat.
There's just so much biodiversity on Lighthouse Reef, and I just kind of assume that all of Belize is like this, but it's definitely not the case.
Island Expedition actually provides a number of guides, and a guide is always with them to make sure that they are safe.
This little island has a lot of story to it. It's been growing as the years go by, it's been shrinking as the years go by, so all that I get my people seeing, and as I get them into the water, that's where it changed the whole mentality of it. Because once you get in those waters there, I mean, it's totally different. You know, you get to see all the fish life, all the coral life.
We do a lot of night walk with the guests, and that's a wonderful experience. Other than night snorkel and night walk, you get them into the littoral forest and they see the beautiful interaction of the night creatures that you can find. The blue crabs, leaf-toed gecko, and just to name a few of them that we find while on a night walk, which is wonderful.
Coming to this island and exploring and knowing that you can walk either side of the island and you can just walk right off and snorkel and see what's happening down there. I mean, you got on the west side, on the north side, on the south side, all these coral activities that literally one does not have to travel too far to go and see all of that coral and marine life. We love to do it because it's beautiful out there. All the colors, all the scenery, sunshine, glistening, the water glistening down on you.
They have so much knowledge, it's insane. It's insane to think that, like, in 4 years of university in biology, like, I don't know, like a tenth of the things they just know about marine environments just from living it. They're really passionate about what they do, and it gets you excited about being here and about seeing this area that they just love so much.
I mean, we have a lead guide who's has graduated from Guelph University, Jack Wild, who's excellent. He's really happy to always interact and share his knowledge.
I'm Jack Wild. I'm a camp naturalist, and my role is to help with species identification, to help with the academic side of things, answering questions they have about the ecology of the site and the behavior of various organisms. When they do their projects, they have to do various kinds of sampling in the marine environment. I'll help them figure out how they can best do that in a way that will gain them the information that they want for the purpose of their study.
The main component of our mark is a research project. So we, after about 3 or 4 days exploring the island, doing snorkels, walking the beaches, we kind of found something we were interested or passionate about, and we got to then formulate a question and then have hypotheses and predictions about that question, and then actually go out and collect data to try to answer the question.
We really just want to see that scientific process in action and how well they can take what they're observing and turn it into research questions and possible projects.
So we're looking at the Gorgonian species right now. We're IDing all the different Gorgonian species.
So were they actually choosing to be on that coral, or they're there by chance because it was more abundant?
We're doing our project on a comparative study of top snail movement at high versus low tide.
We put the broom down in one position and extend the rope around it, or out from it. It's 1 meter long, and we'll walk in a circle around it and assess all the snails that are below it.
It's humbling to be here and to witness the intricacy of this ecosystem, how everything hangs in such a in such a delicate balance.
It's different than anything, you know, it's not, you're not getting the resort feeling. And I can't say one time that I've had a boring snorkel. Like, the different areas of the island are so different, and it's nice that it's in such a small area. You can see so many different things.
I actually think when students come out here, one of the things they rediscover is their childhood if they, you know, really interested in just opening up their curiosity with not necessarily any textbook reading, so that they can actually teach themselves and just be excited about something and then ask questions and then take that further.
We strive together to make everyone go back with knowledge, with peace, and just the love that we have. We want them to take that back.
I hope they take more than just memories of a great trip. I hope they take with them a sense of connection with the sea, and with and when you see different parts of the world and you see that it's all connected, that they can always feel that they're a part of this place as well.